This are the demo from your shared credentials. It's featured so here can demo process. That's the start. Here we are. This is admin panel. We can manage all users from here, and we can assign any branch, any role, which we can create here. Permission role. Currently, we have already predefined some roles. So you can utilize them as per your requirement of designation, and you can simply create your own role. And when you test it, that's it. Here it is. We have created role, and from these modules you can assign any of these permissions. So when you want to assign the entire module, so here is okay. So we have created test module, and we can change these configurations from here. Likewise, we want to just simply update the logo. Here it is. It's updated. Even we can change company name here. We have just updated the logo, so once we have to reload it so that it can be configured from the home site. Well, these are the configurations. We can change numbers, and currently we are on the enterprise plan. So we have two brands and 99 users and uh, 1 GB something data. And here we can see some regulatory logs, what happened and what users had done, what type of activities. Then after this we can see these are other modules. We can simply just switch from here, and even we can switch branches from this module. So let's switch this from here to the education module, and here we are. We have some insights from the education. So here you can see these standings, and let's just refresh. I think assemble is not fetched from the system. That's bad. We have just refreshed our module, so let's wait for the get data. There we go. We can see all branches data. So let's just switch on the Karachi. So Karachi has the sample that 31,000 is collected, and some total invoices are these, and we have just three unpaid invoices, and here we can just quick go through and reach out the module. Let's say we want to go and be student. So here we have a student, and we can simply go any student information, and we have just added it to parental information. This student has one course, and here you can see fees module and statements, and each and everything that you can download for the student. And from here you can switch to the siblings and their information also. Well, this information will be free from the different modules, so we just can utilize that in the uh, reports and other stuff for particular student. Let's move to the parents. These are the parents, and you can see their children, and also set up their credentials from here so that you can access the portals, parental portals. Well, currently we have two different setup for the student. One is the active students, and one is the dictionary of a student. Inside the dictionary of a student, you can simply get all type of student, even inactive, disabled, or alumni, and all other. And after this, we have another attendance. So this class wise, you can just get all these attendance, and you can assign attendance from here to save in the system. That will be fine. Even we have a lot of sections. Based on the sections, you can just simply set up assign, and also you can import admission number, student, and status. That would be look like this. So this is about the attendance, and here you can see we have not set up any invoice for the April month of the 26. So let's just remove this filter. Currently we have applied this filter because we can just see the current month's report, because we have a lot of invoices in the system, therefore it take a time to load. So we can simply here to see the reports, and also we can make a payment, and the system will hit the payment in accounting, and that will be recorded here likewise. This sorry this is payment done by the parent, so a parent will upload the invoice, and that will be utilized here. Alright, this payment has been done here, and this all types of payment you can see, and you can download and you can send to the parent. Similarly, in similar way here you can see the payments has been done, and also you can design invoice setup, sorry, fees settings, like the fees types, fees groups, and discounts, and bulk template you can design, like for class 1 for the month of April, or something like summer classes, extra fees, and something that you can design here, and you can utilize while the generating invoice. Well, after this we have another module which is logo, sorry, invoice templates. So from here you can set up an invoice template, like I want to disable logo, I want to disable name, so this will look like this, and this logo is coming from the school settings. So we can change settings here. These settings are the predefined for a particular school, and we can here just utilize or hide and update them, these information. Well, we can also change some font sizes and logo sizes, and we have a different other options to get our invoice as per our requirement. So this is how invoice we can configure. Even we want to add any bank number on the invoice, so we can simply add these numbers from here, which we have already in the accounts. There is a bank setup, so we can set up these things there. All right, this was about the template of invoice, and from here we can simply generate an invoice. This can be done based on the fees cycle, but currently we have added this on the one hit of generate fees. So fees groups, and we have selected fees group one. Let's say this student has the monthly fees, and these are the one. This is monthly is the frequency of invoice, so we can generate these invoices by automatic every month. So this is how it works. Otherwise we can simply uh, generate an invoice from selecting in school and sections and everything. These are the basic information, nothing is the mandatory. Simply we just have to select the class and the particular fees group if we have already set up. If we don't have set up, we just want to fit the any particular fees type, we can simply add that fees and for the month, and let's say this will be hit for the student. If we have a lot of student, we can select and deselect and generate it. Well, this is how it works, and even we have a fees profile per particular class in the student section. We can set up that, and those students will be automatically pre-assigned pieces for that particular period. Even I can do this time in data, but for now, let's move to another module, which is a exam module. Here you can see we have subjects, we can add any row, and we can assign that, and these are the subject specific. Only teacher for the English subject will can assign the fees for the English, and this is how it will work. And also here we can see the already exams done, and we can assign fees from here for these students. And also we can see previous exams results from here, so this will show that the pass and fail like that results. Let's move the timeline and routine. So this is for the class 1 section. There you can see we have set up the first class, second class, and third class. and these are the teachers assign online class. If you have online selected here, then you can utilize our online classes setup. Let's say that we can see here on the teacher side, and this teacher has some periods which are online. So those periods which are online, we can simply click here to join the meeting. This will open on the new tab like this, and here you can see this meeting has been started. And once we can record the meeting here, like when we record a meeting here, let's say let's join audio. Well, we can record the here meeting, and once this done, and we can simply end this meeting, and that meeting after 5 minutes will be available here. Okay, and when teacher will hit this meeting from their portal, likewise this, and then student can retrieve that in their portal on the schedule that you can join also this meeting, which is this class which is executed by the teacher on that particular time. And also, if we make any recording publish or unpublished, if we have a published, then the student can see that recording also there. So this is how online education system, virtual education system does work. Also, we have homeworks, and we can see this is, and a teacher can also see this assignment of marks and feedbacks and everything in their portal. Well, this is the study material we can see here, and if it's not expired, then the student also can see based on the class sections and everything. Exams for this teacher we have here, and also from here we can assign marks for this. This is the admin panel. A teacher also has these all accesses which we have seen here, and there we go. This is also here, study material for all, and we have a notification. Let's move to the reporting. Reporting is very comprehensive. We can just simply get all reports by the class wise, like section wise, and let's move to the attendance report. We can see attendance 20% and everything, and also here we can see a lot of comprehensive filters add on the invoice fees invoices. Let's say we don't have any for the April for all month. Here we go, for defaulters we can see here, and all payments we can see here, and also we can change statuses and see only particular those things. Let's simply hit OK. So we want to just put class 1, class 2, not class, only would have physics in class 1. So this is about the education system, and similar way we can go to the accounting, and we have lots of chart of accountings here. And if we are just hit new, then we can just recalculate it. Every balance will be aggregated particularly section, and also we can simply go down and see all the accounts and information. Let's say I want to see its accounting and all type of this. Even here on this, let's say all accounts report in journals, I can see credit, debit, export, import, and debt wise, and all these things from here type wise. Also, we have a journal entries, which is, let's say, this will uh, take a smaller time on the first row. So this is how it works. We can select account. So this is how it works. Let's say, okay, we can add line item. Also, if we have a text setup, so we can just simply apply that text, and that has been applied on new line item, which will be added here, and you can see credit debit balance, and in the current asset, we just need to set up that. Okay, let's move again and hit clear the text. This will be cleared. We can select a party, and we can see the vendors already in the system. So this is how it works, and let's move a lot of options. Even here you can see the banks and transactions and reconciliation features. Like, let's move the reconciliation, and from here you can see there is no transaction difference, and auto match. If you have a transactions, we can match and upload the Excel file, and that will be transferred in the system, and you can see the differences there. Also, we have a chart accounting here, net loss. Anytime you can see the reports with us that, um, trial balances and list of everything. And similarly, where you have a HR, which is very comprehensive module, and you can revise that. We can take this demo another time.